Ni hao ma. Baby is in his 30 weeks. Here, see. Baby bump. Baby bump. Baby bump. Baby bump. Pag narinig yung boses ko, gumagalaw eh. Di ba, baby? Watch. Baby, can you kick if you can hear me? Baby, baby Nathan, you're gonna play basketball when you come out, okay? Let's play basketball.
Ayaw niya gumalaw kasi shy siya. Ayaw niya video.
Why? Gusto niya, magiging artista to eh. Tatalunin to si Enrique Hill eh. Right, baby? Hmm? Gano'n ka, kick. Oh! Did you see that? Baby, kunyari Bisaya ka. Tapos, papa-English ko sa'yo yung sinisipa ang pusa. Paano yun? Ano English? Sabi mo sa English, ang sinisipa ang pusa. Na Bisaya accent. Mami, alam mo?
No. Kicking the cat.
No. Hindi ba ko usually cat is kit? Sabi mo ulit.
Kicking the kid.
What?
Kicking the kid. Puros ka ba?
Kicking the kit. Hop! Ah! Gusto mo lang kalokohan na ano ha? Tuturuan ka ng tula. Ang tulang pinasa sa akin ng... ang tulang pinasa sa akin ng aking ama. Here's how it goes. Nung ako'y bata pa, balot pa ng lampin, ang mga dalagay halikan sa akin. Ngunit nung lumaki at naging bulbulin, mga dalagay natakot sa akin. See that? It's moving. Do you want to hear me sing? Huh? Sing tayo? Yo? Basketball. You wanna play basketball? Susunod ka sa yapak ng idol ko, ha? Michael Jordan. Wow! Guys, see that? Yep. Boy, very active, ha? Whoop. One more. 3 points. Whoop. 3 points.
I thought he was using her cell phone.
Anak.
Ayan.
Promise, ha?
I thought he was using her cell phone.
She's already, cleaning her, nails. I think. Wait. Wait. Yan, malinaw. Kikita yung kagupuhan ni Daddy na. Baby Nathan. In Filipino, it's Nathan. In English, slang English, it's Nathan. John Nathan is your name. And you will make a mark in the world as the best basketball player, the highest paid model. Ikaw ang susunod ikaw ang magtutupad sa pangarap kong magkaroon ng billboard sa EDSA. Bench brief. Ken la. Hello? Oh! Ang lakas umipa. Kick. One more kick.
Yan na.
There we go. Pogi ba si Daddy? Pogi si Daddy? Malakas sa sipa pag pogi si daddy.
Wait, pause mo yun.
Wait.
Dali, pakita ko sa'yo.
Pogi. Ang pogi, grabe.